Hey guys, allow me to show you how to make this 10-minute creamy spinach with Parmesan that I think you'll make more than once. Okay, so for those who don't have any brown butter at home, here's how to make a small batch for just one recipe. Well, only for this recipe. We start off by melting the butter in a pan over low heat. After the butter has melted, the water evaporates and the milk solids start to form. There will be tiny little brown bits at the bottom of the pan, so just make sure that while you're stirring the butter to push the frothy foam to the side to make sure that the milk solids at the bottom of the pan do not burn. What you want is for the brown butter to have this slightly golden amber color, so let that cook for another 2-3 minutes and then add in the onions. I use red onions because I'm a little over obsessed with the flavor. I would not opt for brown onions just because this works so much better. So the recipe takes 10 minutes, but that is if you already have brown butter. If you don't have brown butter, it might take a little more than 10 minutes. Saute your onions until they're nice and soft, but not to the point where they're drying and just crying to be taken off the fire. And for the sake of not wasting your time, I already blanched my spinach, squeezed out the excess water, and chopped the hell out of it. Oh, I probably shouldn't have said that word. Excuse me. But yes, add the spinach to the onions. But guys, let's remember one thing. The spinach is already cooked. All we need to do is to heat it up and, add in the other ingredients. So it's just a few more minutes and we're done. So don't overcook the spinach. Then add in some salt and a teeny bit of nutmeg. And I mean a teeny bit, guys. This stuff can overpower your dish. And that is the last thing you want for this amazingly special creamy spinach. Yeah, enough of that. Now let's make this spinach super creamy. So pour in the double cream. The brand that I use has a single cream and a double cream, with a double cream being the thicker of the two. Would I recommend that you go for the skinny version? No, I'm sorry, but no. This is a creamy spinach, so go for that double cream, huh? Okay, Angela is done being overdramatic. So now let's add in the Parmesan. And before I forget to mention, at this point you don't need the heat on, so just turn off the stove because the spinach is cooked through and the cream is hot enough to melt the cheese. And after patiently stirring that spinach, it's finally ready. Look at that creamy spinach. Now, after it sits for a bit, like 2-3 minutes, it's gonna get even creamier. And this is what I mean. And that's it. My super delicious 10-minute creamy spinach with Parmesan is ready, and I hope you enjoy it. I am super thankful for you for stopping by, and I wish you an amazing day. Come back again.